Here we go. What's up, cubers? My name is Kenneth. Today I'm going to show you guys this 4x4x5 cuboid from Calvin's puzzle. And yeah, I'm really excited to open it up and show it to you guys. So let's take a look. Oh wow, look at that. I didn't realize that this is kind of, I don't know, is that called an iCuboid? But yeah, that makes it a totally different kind of puzzle. But yeah, okay. So it's a 4x4 with an extension on one side. So it's basically a 4x4x6, but one layer is not extended to the second layer. So yeah, that's interesting. I didn't realize that's what this puzzle was. I thought it was just a normal, fully functional 4x4x5, but that's not what it is. It's a 4x4x6 kind of mod. Normal 4x4x6 would have another layer down here. So let me find my 4x4x6. Okay, so here's my 4x4x6. You can see it's not solved because it's not an easy puzzle to solve, and I just haven't gotten around to solving it. So yeah, so this layer here is kind of missing on the 4x4x5, and so when I turn it like that, this layer comes to the bottom, where a real 4x4x5, which is this one, turns like you would expect a 4x4x5. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. I definitely didn't expect that. So I did a little bit of research, and I didn't even notice it has a CrazyBad sticker on. So this was actually designed by Dan Fast from CrazyBad Cuber, and they're calling it a center shifted 4x4x5. And yeah, so it's just like based off of the Tom Z 4x4x6, but one layer, this bottom layer, isn't there, and instead it's replaced with just a normal 4x4 layer. So it's just a normal 4x4, one layer is extended, or you can think of it as a 4x4x6 with a missing layer. So anyway, I'm really excited to scramble it up. You know, I think it'll probably solve nearly identical to a 4x4x6. I'm really excited to see, see how this puzzle does. This checkerboard looks nice. So far, the turning's really great. It's based off of Tom Z's 4x4x6, which is really well known for its good turning. So I think it's gonna have it's gonna be a good puzzle. So yeah. So first, let's start by scrambling it up. So it's shape shifted really well. It looks quite intimidating. Yeah. So I'm gonna see now what it's like to solve. All right, there we go. I solved it. Yeah, it wasn't so bad. I got it pretty quickly. The top layer, it's a little hard to scramble, so I don't think I had that great of a scramble on it. So I actually just solved it like a 4x4, and then I messed around until I kind of fixed kind of these pieces here. So yeah, it wasn't so bad. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick little video on this 4x4x5 off-center axis thing puzzle. It's kind of unique and interesting. If you like it, definitely use the link in the description to buy it. It helps me out a little bit. It's an affiliate link. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and of course, have a great day.